Warfare has been a constant feature of human societies throughout history. Same way we have demonstrated creative ways to overcome different challenges and improving various aspects of our life, we've also gotten creative with the way we do our warfares. It has gone from being fought with spears and bows to guns and grenades and to lethal autonomous weapon systems powered with AI. If history of war is as old as human civilization itself, then could it be that it's our innate behavior? Often, the driving force of emotions during conflicts are anger, fear, revenge, guilt, and trauma. Masked with those emotions, a person becomes desensitized to violence, have heightened aggression, and decreased empathy. This emotional dysregulation would often lead to the act of dehumanization, cognitive bias, and moral disengagement, which in turn enables us to rationalize our inhuman actions of murder, rape, and genocide of one another. But can we really justify war or the inhuman act that follows it? The justification of why and how wars are fought is a very complex and controversial question. Let's look at the two principles of jus ad bellum and jus as bello. Jus ad bellum refers to the conditions that must be met before going to war, such as having a just cause, a legitimate authority, a right intention, a reasonable chance of success, and a proportionality between the expected benefit and harms of war. Jus in bello refers to the rules that must be followed during the conduct of war, such as respecting the right of non-combatants, prisoners of war, and the environment, and limiting the type of weapons used. And according to the just war theory, a war can be justified if it meets both the jus ad bellum and jus in bello criteria. However, applying these criteria can be very difficult and subjective, as different parties may have conflicting views on the interpretation and implementation of the principles. How can we regulate conflict if it's inevitable? By its nature, is war something to prepare for or something to be regulated?